Democratic Senator Bob Casey says he would support an amendment to the health care bill that prohibits taxpayer dollars from paying for a health care plan that covers abortion. He also says he has not tried to, quote, draw lines in the sand on any issue related to the health care bill. Casey, a pro-life Democrat, spoke to CNSNews.com on Capitol Hill after his speech to the Jerusalem conference, where he touched upon issues like the Middle East peace process and health care reform. Do you think it is morally right to force taxpayers to pay for any part of a health care plan that funds abortion?
No, I think what we should do is have a health care plan that's consistent with what the Hyde Amendment has done over 25 years with regard to the appropriations process. That's what we're trying to do now.
And well, the issue is with the subsidy. If taxpayers are paying for a health care plan that covers any part of a health insurance plan that covers abortion, do you think that would be morally right, the way it stands right now?
What we don't have right now is a bill in the Senate, so we're working through that to work through the language. We still have a long way to go on this issue as well as some other issues with regard to health care.
And in the end, would you, morally, could you vote for a health care plan that would cover any part?
What I will do is what I did in the committee when if there will be amendments to the bill, if necessary. I think that will be necessary, that involve making sure public dollars don't pay for abortions, and I'll vote for those amendments. But I've tried on every issue not to draw lines in the sand about if this is in the bill or that. I've done the same thing on the public option. Some people in the Democratic Party say if there's not a public option, you won't vote for the bill. I'm a supporter of that, the public option. I'm also a supporter of being real tough on insurance companies, but I haven't drawn lines in the sand yet. I think it's important to keep the process moving forward.
If there isn't any specific language in there that would prohibit federal dollars going to abortion, would you support it or not?
We're not going to answer hypotheticals right now. We have a process that's ongoing. We do not have right now a Senate bill. We have two bills that are being merged together. Until we see what the language is, we won't really know.
Nicholas Ballasy, CNSNews.com, the Capitol.